Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A54, and today I'll show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power button, and once you have your boot options visible, select power off. Now the device will then turn off, and once it does so, you can then hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Now you do want to let go of the power button the moment you see any kind of sign on the device that it's turning on. So there we go. And as you can see, it then takes us to the recovery mode. And here you'll need to use the volume buttons to navigate up and down. So to go over the options that we have access to, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, fast boot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first one. Now you confirm these options using your power button. So I have right now selected reboot system now. We'll confirm that, and like I mentioned, this will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.